Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find the games on Google Play Store in OPPO A2x. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here we can try to find any app or game. Actually games mostly. So we're gonna go with Call of Duty, and as you can see there's an icon for it, but when we click on that, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture and move to the settings. Inside, select Family, Parental Controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or go for Apps and Games, insert the PIN code, click on OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and then we can go back to look for the game again. And it should be right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.